Coast Carolina, and I'm tuning to Pablo Costi. Hello there, this is your favorite girl, Anna, and you're listening to Pablo Costi.
so biara kutuno motion and yonya I hear for you. Hey oh man is so yes you know your hand. Hey Seva
Good morning, sir. Have a blessed day.
oh man is so yes you know your hand. Eva say Abushia Bobi Akwawa at the Ahenkan 93.3 FM so Yedi point so bia ho ye Yedi point se Nyankopon adom ahode ne wo ho Yedi point se Nyankopon adom enyoma gusu a elfa nyabotre nyoma be fa pa Jamu Akwawa the bar free 2024 Ahenkan 93.3 FM Friday at work your friend here Jenny with Champon Kobina Boatin and of course we help us with the 9th day of January 2024 after full many years here Nebusia Yamu different vibe different radio experience and of course yet Nazi said yeah that's just it Yamu feeling that's it Gidi your points off here my name is Tim Nina. Ya koya ya saba bio. Ati ya freya na aba bio. Oh, Seva. Right, so Zalo 45 minutes after 10 here on 93.3 of FM. In case you just tuned in, your friend here Jenny me Champon Kobina Boatin. Over to me, our friend Kobina Costi, our brand upon the perfect gentleman. And of course, we are back to our normal hustle. This is what we do. Of course, you're better now from 10 to 12 p.m. I'm a fashion I can see a plan for the production team. And call and for Emmanuel Jumbo DJ Sabo. And for a common man like Kobe K. That was yeah. And I done that be a no 2024. It's a sign of crabby. And baby, what is it? And share the motivational message, bro. And now, Koya Benada. And did you know that they are not so bro here on 93.3 of it? You see, I say, a fool, you know, I Koya record. And they are more my Ghana. Will be a set record. And I want them to say, Guinness World Record. And yet, the four Sant Juan Kwan, a Ghana near Wodi kind. I set a record and I said, what attempt is a breaking record? And when I'm saying you for Sant Juan Kwan, and I'm for near course what Tamale, jobless filer, and yes, I marry a Munin Kwan. They were Ghana for I want to try a breaking record. A big crowd record the crowd will be to be break here. With him, sir. Alright, so stay here on 93.3 FM. Beginning here, bro, on Did You Know? Ghana for my tempting record. And your mama breaky record. And your mama could record now still be to me break here. Or we are Ghana for. I'm a fine jackers here. Hey, Munyama, what to say? What to say, Mr. Orbin? What to say? You be our code here. Yeah, if we come out for Steve, when I feel when I hear upon some way. There's a Brunia Muchaya boy. Brunia in the year, Muchaya boy, and I shall be from. Okay. Abu Chaya boy. Yanti will be a Gabriel. Anyway, I did some way. Here's a mutin quem. Yantia somebody be at the end. You pass some way upon. And Chinjagas and Komaki and no fashion, when you know, pay me Chichamopan. I send you for you a new back up Saloon with the Gambia. I watch you must send Mr. William back. Better man, Papa Bruta star be a beyond the and I'll put your chair one out for you now. So watch you must send Dumasi. Good morning and come out. Jagas and Koma Nanaya, comfort, natural look beauty saloon. And come a Kate more Bompire Johnson. For young come Bra Michael or SDA Johnson and after good morning so when come Mama Hannah or SDA Johnson not Tongo be the new year go be promotion never cost Good morning. Exclusive beauty salon. Good morning. And come out parties golden seasons. I said that beauty salon. Now I'm going to say dependable beauty salon. The whole of last year. Yentimi me humo yentimi vat. Menko hoda. But this year I will make sure and I'll visit them. You know, dependable beauty salon. More CS new town. Good morning. Come on. And I'll say, Shaboya Kaimena de Bia Yenchia. Masha Beauty Salon, what is it? Yeah. Maybe I can't be palm, if you crack Kaimena in fan count. Yeah, for Masha count. In Chaka says, Mama Vida, oh, Jubilee Bridge, and some Mama Vida fashion. Good morning, and come out. Charities fashion, good morning. DJ Lion, what to say? Jaji, or Kameni Jaji, good morning. Quality fashion, you change your money and no pay. I think I can say, and so and come Madam Pat, Madam Maggie, Madam Vera, and Najwa, much more than government hospital. And come on, Brad David, Apostle, Brau, MP3, Stagger, Obama, Ricardo, Tanko, Champa, Jonathan, Medeshia, Ambrose, Richmond, Jerry, Prof P. And up here, Braquam, you teach me on the page. If I wait my journey show live on Facebook, Ahenkan 93.3 FM. Our Facebook, wait me start sending me first message. That was 0533-898-915. 0533-898-915. Send me first message. Nah, I'm usually go for my catch say me the daily dose of motivations, bro. And I'll Facebook. And then did you know? I know about share. Some Ghanaians who have set Guinness World Record. One man 13, one man 13, one more. Guitar record will be to me break here. And you for Santo One. But if you're Santo One, so I set a record, I'll share it too. Yes. In as much as any of you and a Ghanaian, what 30 World Guinness Record. If you Santo One, so I set a record. In fact, Metro Nina. What's that fool? So recently me realized you say, and as I read on the internet say about 138 Ghanaians and I want to apply to attempt Guinness World Record. I go for that job book. Guinness World Record. I jibu book. Abagana hano. Bibi. Every say do safwan so be speech at home say bibi sabe boa. Omo compare solitaire. Because book never tete. I don't talent home. Anyways, I will share with you some Ghanaians who have attempted the Guinness World Record. Yeah, here on 93.3 of them. Stay tuned. Good morning and have a wonderful day.
Have a blessed day.
And of course, you know, boom, get the Yanko Ponce. I wish I said, yeah, why am I any baby? And Sienna, you said the whole of 2023 Manco Hospital. The whole of 2023 and 290 hospital. That the health insurance cry. Kofi Ejiri, I didn't call them Koyebi. I hope I am with the baby. As I was saying, then I said, yes, yeah. Me patrol, you call your daily dose of motivations. You crash yourself no young course now for you who say, I fear you see me there. Nakopon, I will home. But I say, what them say, I fool and yet 365 days. I had 366 days. I fool a leap year. It's 366 days. Not last year, 365. But I fool a called 366 days. It's in Yankopon or Hopper. I fool a century baby. Ebe she when your brabum be happening in the the shedding song. Na kai say afuwe good things await you. Big opportunities await you. New promotions and huge money await you. Color Studios and Digital Embroidery. The whole of last year in Adaroma. You shall on crime fitting January 1st, Sunday, we see 31st December. Afuwe colors are that room a being. The Sasha on Grana. What is it? I had there yourself. I had there before. So, Color Studios. I watch more than Liberty Transport opposite Kinel Pharmacy. Nah, the Oyeni. Say, about said, Obewari and our upon one away engagements. And now we are Jumedi be away here photographer. Jumedi be away here be our bit make count for any come upon the amount they are. Before I Color Studios and Digital Embroidery at Daroma. On one and a bit amount correct 360 camera. What they say? Aha. For instance, a band for videos and so they are. Before Color Studios and Digital Embroidery. Now, when it comes to the embroidery side, and so they are. About entire say and show mudin fangu and then fangu a logo come upon. I found two Musuma they are. Color Studios and Digital Embroidery. Achimo dan Chroma A1 number 1. I said number 1. Yeah. Obia any mundi is here and as Obia and Timmy mundi is here near there. Color Studios. I was a bra. Now on sort to out. Friend was 0245 276638. 0245276638. I don't pay. I was being control say. Say yes, see a full frame as we step into this new year. Fashion dreams that you got the power to make amazing things happen. Believe in yourself and go after your dreams with passion and determination. Say yes, see a full frame. Fashion dreams say every day is a fresh start. The biano who say what shabrabo for from. We saw whatever happened in last year, 2023. No, too good. Now and then 9th January. No, when you say what shabrabo for from. What you say? When you say, I find our beginning life. I find our year school. I find our job will be our obey. And you know when you say a full way there, you shall be as a from. Near Chemono, a Chem, near Monia Dino, or Mundinko. Na fashion would trim say, who to me, I'll bet me a man, your market, CCC. Oh, to me, I'll bet some amazing things are happening. Oh, to me, you have the power to make great things happen. You have the power to make amazing things happen. You have the power to change a lot about your situation. You have the power to become who you want to become. So 2024, fashion would trim say, oh, bet me a man, your market, CCC. Yourself and go after your dreams with passion and determination. Jihudi so obey to me. Jihudi say adie biara we dey see in 2024 by the end of this year no obey to me am at the chrono abem yedi kind for passion and for shame because adie biara ni asase so a woni passion obey to me aye sa sen we dey bia meka So only passion Emma Juma oya on. I did check I was sorry I could man na yoya. Baby I'm the nurse for by example. Was in the nurse for baby. No fan chame but they true. The nurse for baby one man. I no passion so by nurse for. My this son say o ma wo form say mo nko yes ne be mo benya aban Juma enti no. Na omodi afa ho. Afoko hospital I say nye ne passion ne enti no. Na o tia. Afu ye nya yesesa o Yesu di mun kan amen. Nurse ni bia nya o passion Yankopon kan akoma na nya o passion by force. Ka amen. If I mean money Diana. Okay, my member papa na minimum. Madam part like this, I always say mommy she was born for this. And I can't say you want to say on by nurse you see there are people if you see them automatically everything about them or everything around them tells you who they want to be. Yeah. You want to force who now oh saint ya. Who now oh saint ya. I see some policemen be this festive season. Many Jam say, hey, I am say, Abeba, say, Aben Kwan was a visa. I gave a police in EBA into one year that some police voting now. But some police in Mihuno festive season, you know. Baby will be a Yanko Punchano. Maintaining Ankaza, I was, the dynamic, you know, I was far away from where he was, and I was just observing him. I'm saying, hey, police following him on Chroma. Police following here on Groma. I mean, Shano. Mentimian Busanidi. So, me who know how was this Timber Market or Timber Market side or some situation me happen and the choir police in the far so we are the choir. I would throw say me can move for me police in Ankas or na tell us to throw me near the Anankantokozi. But a choir papa no far so and your Macassa we I mean they shook hands and hug you and say wow Papa you knew it here. Ultimus and Palabra house and over there was a to may pay and the police in him. It's a dear be a for passion in the kind. Yawe be of a passion for the kind. It's a passion in Kanwa. To me yet, it's a passion in Kanwa when you're successful. It's a passion in Kanwa over so quans will be jai. It's a passion in Kanwa Bebu. It's a passion in Kanwa no Pakra would be a lack of Juma Bay or Ja. If a passion in the kind 2024 team like that 2024 so no. There's no grief for anybody. That's why I see that thing. So it was 31st December where I see him. 31st December. I did chief, I did Bechina. That was so the team for 2024 is no grief for anybody. I beg 2024, no grief for passion. And then they didn't my friends here and try on my Bible to me so here on 3.3 of 5. Yeah, did you know segment in your bro records and cover setting in cover breaking. Then you bro here on 3.3 of 5. Stay tuned, yeah.
I swear. Nyamianim Ukraine said bread Dania. I was also Danny B. Preferland Hotel. Wow, what a hotel. Messi, Mitri Miami do. Ah, me wife you wahin. Besinia ko Preferland we can see bien. Esan say, bia o couple as what rufie. Bia bi wo ho. Management no so tight. Wo mo nipa mo do. And into Ukraine Japan. Besinia ko Preferland Hotel. Say who the birthday party. Oh worry. And ye na dia wo ba fi. Program bia. Bora Preferland Hotel. Adentia. O car park kesi or baby green grass and what that diagro come and puno a yakona be international standard. Ujali na a corner safa filter mu. Punus who jalia say yes. Ujali ni pensio. A konankasa. Preferland Hotel or what dia drop a bray. As a ujuani bra. Unya bushan benya baby ada. na so no kanji mansko no problem e bonus ye cool enya nunku so pensa no ma awdo bia ya tuntumbo Briefland Hotel enyum chetua so abri bia eninti achum dan man so ene ne mpatamfo ni na cross form hye ho Briefland Hotel bamamo no ni masem de bia wo kwase de bia eye pool party esanso ye mutual special brabe didi na se dwale Briefland Hotel e wa chimanso wudu ani akyere achum dan kwa no so na Presby School na chipe fresh 0551 187 926 anase 0507 640 302 Briefland Hotel Fresisia na ya bama
senior dro imbusaba mesa amama hoaden
refuse to grow any offense wa beka ho
ahoaden immune system onyankopon e de awura ni paduade mu sam moye ho ban no enna sa wonom imbusaba mesa e pagya immune system na bribia ya yare antimiu sese de amanfo dodo no a na di imbusaba mesa do ne ho adanse ese enyarewa horo anipa enyina etimi ba ne so ene nyarewa kese nka ya wuti ni din ene ho ka na oyemu ahyew nyina no ebo ye ho ban afiri ho enna wo mpo a omu wanyarewa ne dada na omunum doctor enuro no enum imbusaba mesa no a emo ahoɔden pintin ya wo munti mpo se yare ase omu ho imbusaba mesa ewo kansi ene o man mu babia ye to enuro etufo mfre 0246 208496 imbusaba mesa police ni no edro no enkratoe yi FDA asayase.
Hey, Efia, mi watch papa.
Bra, nansen yade a me yade ye. Enya odunfo bi na kire me kumi herbal tea anka sabre adibone.
Ado we na aka ho asem ya na.
Ebia.
Kumi herbal tea de eboa ema enkwamo ni paduam gyan na so ye. Na senya hoden akutie nyarwa hodo a ewo ni paduam. Eye tea bag anopa bia oyi ba ko de tun so hye mu a minute be se du ekosi dunum entem no na wanom. Enwure nso saa bra wode de awi a wo koda. Enipa do pi ananom kumi herbal tea ni bi a wodi ho adanse. Oha hodo bi e woni paduam no kumi herbal tea ebe afi ho ama. Hyano nso se oba pemfo obi a makoda nufuo ana akoda woni mfrinhia edudie edre wontimi enum bi. Obenya kumi herbal tea ebi ato ewe bia oton no ahodo. Kumi herbal tea Yesumo Herbal Center ensano adwuma Dr. Paul Kumi Minta daso ya no. Obetimi afre no ewo 0248 716402 0248 716402 ana 0503 785656 0503 785656. Kumi herbal tea ana eye immune system support. FDA age adwadie nkratoi atum. Yes.
Ebrenaso Ghana Premier League 2023-2024 season. This is a soccer season. I'm Payne, your best radio station in the East. Ahenkan 93.3 FM at the solid sports presentation and the live commentary every all the league centers. Bro, Shannon Self Frames Oil, Energy on the go, and then Ahenkan 93.3 FM at on to my bomber. I feel we Ghana Premier League, no, baby, be a commentary button from no. Yegina ho, Frames Oil, and Ahenkan 93.3 FM, and the commentary. Bro, Anuti, so we are driving in now perpetual papa, diesel papa, fuel, I would be good cam. Nedu bakwa jojo, nedu abajojo. Menkwasa engine dia. Frames Oil. Yang any awo affordable product. Say diesel and petrol. Ya boni da form chiwo biya dia. Anuti. Baby biya we shankania wonam. Frames Oil filling station per bufa. Na ko bugum. Frames Oil. Energy on the go. Afewe. Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Matema phobia. Accra House of Folk. Never say down till the bones are rotting. Great Olympics. Olimashi, Olinkwasong, Dreams FC, Mediama Football Club, and Avufra Aka. Messi, watch out for your sports host Joshua, Kwabena Ejanim, Anna, Kofi Ejiri. Yeah, the live commentary and Bremo. Live on Ahenkan 93.3 FM. Frames Oil, Energy on the go.
Hi, your friend foreman. Mejuma Sweni, Inti Obia Pemasem. Sa Woody Wajuma Shaminsa, Mesha say, Wusika and Co Waste. Inti, Metomino Manina Free Jump Trading Enterprise. Mr. Mensa, Anna, Chairman Mensanche, Enti Sawo Cement, Gasem, Diamond, Anna say, Simaf, Nina, Ubenye be Ato, Mr. Mensa, Anna Chairman Mensanche, Open Nadwa, all inches, iron rolls, 16mm to quarter rolls, POP, plaster balls, Kenoff, Papa Panibi, fiber, set tinting anatetia, open barrels, center panels, corner moldings, wall angles, plywood, bind wire, ana empo, opa butchery paints, home champ, big and as a small size, Nina, Ubenya Biatowo, Champ Trading Enterprise, Mr. Mensa, Anasa Chairman Mensan Chain, or Wakameni Junction, on Ejaji and Editioning, friend 0208 123 872, and 0244 566 880, Champ Trading Enterprise, Mr. Mensana, what's a bra, Nani Buono, edit that form.
Mimo wakwaba eba OPK Dynamic. OPK akofa OPK iPhone Type C cable abam. Yewo OPK iPhone cable, OPK 100 cable, OPK Type C cable. A itimi charge Type C phones any devices biya. Na cable no eye papa enhoso eden. Eye the fastest charging cable a ye de abedwaso. Eye 200 millimeters. Ewa eniti baby biala o plug wo biya no. Obetimi de a charge o phone. OPK power bank yewo 50,000 and 30,000 capacity. And yet the fastest charging power banker. Ye di abedwa so a your iPhone 100 any Type C cable e so dada. Now so we charge it will last 4 to 7 days. OPK airport and no so no obetimi dia connect phone bi e wo wiase. OPK smartwatch and so no obetimi connect ama phone bia. OPK iPhone batteries and so iPhone 4 de no no. Ana afei OPK multi socket 3 USB ports e wom e charge fast. Ni cable na e ka ho no 3 in 1 e betimi a charge iPhone 100 and a Type C. OPK no chi.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day. The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
fine, cause you my sunshine. I'll never let you go. I'm gonna make you fine, cause you my sunshine. I'll never let you go. I'm the rock life dada. Everything they do, I said I'm their father. I'm the rock life dada. Everything they do, I said I'm their father. For mom, so baby, don't you worry. You say just be happy, baby. So don't you worry. Just be happy, yeah. Cause all the money on the mansion is on me, baby. Singing, don't you worry. So just be happy, baby. Don't you worry.
Have a blessed day. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
This be love, oh, true love. There is this chemistry between us. I don't know what to do whenever I see you. Whenever I see you, baby, I dey shiver. This be love, oh, true love. Whenever I see you, baby, I dey shiver. Shiver, 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 oh. Shiver, 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 oh.
Baby,
I want you. Baby, I need you. Baby, I love you. More and more. Baby, I want you. Baby, I need you. Baby, I love you. More and more. Hey mama, hey mama, hey mama. Mama Africa, mama. You dey kill me with your moves, so baby. Time that you come closer, oh, shiva, 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 oh. It be your love, oh.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed
day. The way
day.
that you make me feel, oh. Every time I come close, you make me shiva, 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 oh. You are my apple, that I eat every morning, every evening, baby, oh. You put some sugar in my cocoa. Sugar, 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 oh. Sugar, 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 oh.
But if it don't there, well, okay. Well, everyone step aside. Well, up in the fire, why come and dance in quick? She keeps me hypnotized with her moves and sense. That's kind of girl I need. Well, I am the band straight from Ghana. So I have forbidden fruits I make you mad. So I got to set them, I make your mouth. Or some book, this and for some book, can you?
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
And you're listening to Kwabena Positive.
The way you shake that thing of yours. I don't want to see it. To me, want to see it. Bring me one. When you send it, wow. Would you bear me, Kakradia? Baborena me, na me, I don't know my nanny. My African mama. Baby, I need you. Baby, I love you. More. Baby, I want you. Baby, I need you. I love you, baby, I love you. More. There is this chemistry between us.
kwabana cost what
Right, so 25 minutes after 11, 93.3 of music from our two B's. Pedizio, Mastellan and Mugis on this one. Beautiful music. Right, so this year, I expect an album from our two B's. Yeah, 2024. Expect the album from our two B's. Because these guys, solid guys. Solid guys. If I show message you waiting for 0533898915 0533898915. Over to the first message number now for you can kind of on here on 93.3 of app. Now should I echo break me catch you say and you know I'm gonna share with you some Ghanaians I'm gonna try and I say I'm gonna attempt Guinness World Record. That's it. Honorable Nana Atufa. She's here Ghana there Okona when we need crown honorable Nakao Dinzo. Oh yes, it's Honorable Atufa. And I'll pay home to say baby I will go. Now you call Christmas break on. Now in Komobia we go PSO. In fact AI and Komo. And I mean, was our full in Kalani Bebre Chapa, every month's when chat, the chair was in everyone. Now, I maybe say Aquala will pan when chat the main hammer who be cry and someone in control because I'm better on control honor. School fees in the wedding. The bear say, I want to feel I'm cool for my uncle Germany. And I'm saying, Mommy, a fool no problem with him, there be so, but do what you call for no problem with you. Who knows that you wait and be a clinic as your pan. But say a dog corner as up as all starting the cool school being there. Minimum school be waiting me about Freya Qua. Don't sell school fees. Because the teacher for no or more about tre, Benyabo tre. In fact, I'm a Qualano. So, I don't see a crowd this year. What is it? I don't see a crowd this year. Teacher for making sure school fees now we transfer bound for so. And you remember for Sakwalana man this year, the senior bear results in the banner. Wow, for now, we have fees in one beso. About your school, I make one say you only believe senior high school. Only believe senior high school. School way, so what him say, I feel 2022. I'm a friend, I'm a transfer, what's in social. 98% of the total students now. Omina enya A1 sa. I just say awophobia ne backward. Only believe senior high school no. Be some pa 1 2 school fees na to andwene. One boka. E pato afi utie mi. O pese wo ba na sakwa trans no ntro wasidi biem. Baneko only believe senior high school. Omi home economics. General science, agriculture science, so general arts and visual arts, secondary technical and business courses in only believe senior high school. School way there, I highly recommended though. If I'm a father fan cohort, now control no now also use school fees no so abanfazo. Be creating guys and come cotton punch me no crying and crank so abanfazo. I just a wab of Rano 777 the feed would be by few pounds. Michelle, catch all mammy and as I offer with me. Fanico only believes senior high. I'm walk for Ruby Crown to me. If I friend 24 was 0240 202-148 and 0247-670736 0247-670736 and 0240-202-148. Only believe senior high school. Say all things are possible. Now, you're called Jump Trading Enterprise. And call for a bon samrane pa. And call for, in fact, Omaji Papaya Doom. was a Juma Papa Bo Chrome Hanum the Joe. A Juma Mr. Mensa a Bo Chrome Hanum. Maza, a Sawani. What them say Chrome Hanum won? Sana young come nina. Say you're batting your tongue dance here whom your papa and the boss I for. Sana ya Mr. Mensa, Sana Yanoka Canania de can. Bonisa show action. So recently, measure that money panaya voice notes. And my boy radio news no witty. As here, Papa John didn't and say, shall call Mr. Mensa and so called Jump Trading Enterprise in China. Say, minds now open. Say, be new heart, not just a company in Massa as Iso. What is it? Some minds now open. Say, ye be a mawa, not just a company chronem Magana. Called Jump Trading Enterprise, Nako Pestament to be a carpenter for Monco Pen, that was still bend out for Monco Pe iron rolls. There were POP, there were plaster bolts, there were marine bolts, fiber, center panels, no corner more than war angles, Nina. Say, over Jump Trading Enterprise, report to Ubenya Bebre, and Yama Wahon so the anybody that form, and Yama Wahon so your quality, and to inferior goods be our Mr. Mensa shop. Jump Trading Enterprise, a dance here whom you papa and I ton where I saw ye, repacho, or ye a chim or down a Kameni Junction, only Jaji and a Dean Shani wa Kameni Junction. And the Chalatum, friend was 0208 123 872 0244 566880. Jump Trading Enterprise, Mr. Mansana, or Sebra. Nah, but to enyoma a quality. What does it? I'm a fashion that can see any check and come my yahi. Yahi. Yenya on crown. Yaha, Mikaya on crown. Menya on crown. Menya SMS no yahi. Menya SMS in Yadia. That's it. From Pond Enterprise, say New Year way. Or you'll be a show. From Pond Enterprise, or you'll be a show. So what could do or fancy or why review one quanto why jobio? Baby, I wish she be an from Pond Enterprise, so you show. Not sure no ya winning in. Be a tower from Pond Enterprise, Biano. Yatabo so the amount. Yes, a Friday New Year. Now, tower from Pond Enterprise, Bia. Yatite Yomano so at the amount. Our from Pond Enterprise. And to coho, so pay more back, open sugar back, open macro, open tin tomatoes, open exercise books. In fact, provisions be a open piano. Oko from Pond Enterprise. Yatite bonus so come upon. You be a show New Year. Ya more be a feeling idea. What is it? And the differ hosts say, now, we do from Pond Enterprise. There be a catch or say your cosmetic shop and so. Your cosmetic shop or you know, fine boy they also use ruler. So there's this trending movie. A Tribe Called Judah. Charlie, you watch? Monje. Oh, I post my status. A Tribe Called Judah. Now there was this fine guy in the movie. Now Akan the boss, when the boss not nonchalant bro. Also, TikTok fine boy like you know use Lolo. But about your fine boy they use Lolo. You want to near the now spray na. You say and can't come be pan John. What is it? Cut from Pond Enterprise. Cosmetic shop or cotton coon, cotton roll cotton spray, cotton BB about come. Those and part was all your Burma or your Bassima. Be added that it not going on there. Yes, answer what drink shop our from Pond Enterprise and to drink be our piano when you be our from Pond Enterprise. Before you check wine, I watch him what down and there in a hotel. I see a while. Your cosmetic shop on this one chain. After we call old gin and the bank building in Muswa. Your drink shop for front no Kasiebo honey bino. And a new addition and so called new market. A chum or na new marketer. Or also your shop no you be the mass a common of 4, you draw 4, estate 4, SD 4, Benase, manager 4, Munina. You be and the amount of patrol, Mombra from Pond Enterprise. Now Mumbai Philly. Me patrol for Papa no 0244 897 525 now 0206 953 0242 111236 from Pond Enterprise. Jumera What the papa share? Mighty power. Utidi na do zampa. Eduro we die. Esaya rebebre. Ye call holidays boys bebre na kono no nyoma. Bebre na so kodidi nyoma, bebre na so koye nyoma bi asabi o de yare. Abijani peduano. Ujimu say ene Monday, sorry, ene Tuesday. Why am re odampem? Why ohun dem pese mejelo. Me pacho. We draw a bit me aboa ma obese nya hoodin biem na dompeni nyina kekensi ani no. Mighty power. Mighty power. Now mighty power. Nduro no wo dwen anipa da sani hu nti no o makoye skin ointment de aba na skin ointment no baby bia ye o ye bia no obetim ne twitwi so o de da ho na ma baby girl no nti bi nya ni nsem onfa wochi o line da wochi no na just ye nsane ne mu a na ba wo kon ho ye ba wo sisi ho to ase ho baby no na just ye ba no baby girl no de nsane na ho na we nyina wa apply mighty power ointment no second and Sonia the idea relaxation and one is here soft life that and when you my baby girl think kun kakra nya nsem na just say wochia what more bread taxi driver what's not for kwa check wochi na what bread wodu fia da ho na my baby girl tetinya wochi ni adea e bia so your hairdresser ana opama de wodu fia onso da ho na ma krache na mfa nkun ni bi nya nsem I just said, Nana Mochino will call one, Sissy Muni, what is it? Aha, Bibi, come on, the amount. After so your mighty power lazative, now your lazative, no, a command will be to say nursing, or Mamma Fire Cassier, I just say from Manquan, the goon, constipation at chill, Sabi, ultimate tampon away, you know. But say, Bishop, compare mighty power lazative, Nibi, no, a bema your phone from a goomina. Because na bra ina e Guinness 94 years and Guinness constipation na yen sa we deep pan on the beans in here this you my team it mo hu na esen anya Guinness anya petition nya bibia e pan ho ni protein anya protein po carbon dozen and na man for esa me pa cho sound so tesa na wa pe mighty power lazative ni bi na one no me ma wo yefu no emframa na egum ni nyina apa bebi afa na pe bebi afa so me pa cho pe bebi anko awo ben dran bebi ankofo bebere wo onko a no wa twe ho na wa man kwan man frama na besia ko me sure mighty power nduro enya ma bofra wo nya mfie dum yenu enya ma opinfo and afense so batan man menu for 0242725009 0243 192 0243 122 mighty power esiho poti mame fa wonko Afrakoma Community Hospital na Afrakoma Community Hospital Accra ama saman wo mo awaye Gan West Municipality ni mo they were trained doctors and midwives me fa job bibia do ba ho bia no be solve e amount when say hospital ye bia ya ye kuja ya ready to ho na ye de ni jabe fie sa pepe and Afrakoma Community Hospital hotel say awrewo bia de bia no problem bia do ba Afrakoma Community Hospital no e say doctor for the nurse for no mamunim didn't know obenya agbotre na mo treat you wo free one na wo kono na de ni je ni sre na wo di kofie afi o pinfo o dwen ye me kan be say relocate you I want to go to Accra I want to move to Accra me koi hospital ben kra na me ko deliver me be me pacho Afrakoma Community Hospital got you sorted o se bra na o pinfo Brantinenta ho ne ade a na nyakopon ya adom so a midwife for ne wo no so aboa ma waswe wasomdwe mu eba etwe so a the whole Ghana hospital bi ani ho no ma omo ye etwe operation echen Afrakoma Community Hospital because the doctor for no shut up na mpanifu akopam dem begu ho say omo mbe operate etwe henia ye yin free ho now so balu no enya baby na just say to adonko kama pa ebi mu de ntimi to adonko because etwe na je ho aboso mesro ko na yin free ho yin free a goes afedo na ma ohun sem frama fa ho ne ade a me pa cho friend 0597 00563 0597 00596 0597 005963 Afrakoma Community Hospital. Yes, Brasilia. Now, young Donku Ventures. Or watch him abo or down quantum points. We are Sunny Star Plaza Bronx and I say, hiya, and I'll be who Donku Ventures. Now, Donku Ventures, they be na last year, me catch you says, open sun boy for the air. The patch or Hana Eco. Open sun problem being ma. The patch or Hana Eco. Open sun unya hangover bia or Hana Eco. Bibi au pebiano. The patch or again Sankwan say hard, soft. Beverages me pa jow ko Don Cool Ventures me pa jow benye bi atwane shaden so say distributors e de makasa preko ti go pe kasa preko product bi obenye bi atonya so me pa jow friend was 0555486990 0556252668 Don Cool Ventures was it trying to say now new year, new vibe, new year, everything new, everything brand new, everything set, you know. That's right. Until the year called Nelly's haircut, watch him as Sunny. Nelly's haircut, I watch him as Sunny. I'm seeing for Moon Jai Sadi. Oh, I had on your message, move on, you go there, you be some message. I did. I can't remember if I saw me block him. I want to block them on my phone. Nelly's haircut, Sabra, or Pammy Bechagu. New Year. If I would die with Tina, was yeah. What's after that's a fufra. Papa Joe called Nelly's haircuts. You more frying penny for you call like you be. When him say you be a school, yeah, then your Sakolani looking nice and sexy and sweet as well. If I call Nelly's haircut, watch him as Sunny. You will buy a Banquamu Street in this way, watch him as Sunny every sir. You ben Jesus Assemblies of God Street, you know. Now be who and Gentle Foster, so wait to cry needing come on. That was 0594 158406 0594158406 Nelly's haircuts, your perfect touch. And check me, did you know, bro? Now more who some Ghanaians who have set Guinness World Record and some record that if you are a Santoa or a Dionum and so a certain idea. So stay tuned. The bros is here and you gun and Tuesday. So file I day 9, right? And I mean what? Yeah, 9 days in here. So she has been cooking for 9 days. So baby, you had much now. She has been cooking for 9 days. But and it's all about filer. It's about Ghanaians are attempting Guinness World Record. And now for instance some record that if we are Santoa or a Dionum and so asset, you know. So stay tuned. My boss is here.
The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Mr. J, baby.
True love that's in the ghettos. And I say, order of a uno mumbia, oh, tinko. Get so low, get so low, get so low. It's not you, get so low, get so low, get so low, get so low. It's not you, get so low. My baby girl say she's solely living the life for me. She can do without me. Source of energy. She says I'm the only one, bright in the morning like the sun. No matter the situation, she won't trade me for any man. Sometimes her love them make me wonder. Oh my God, the things she do them make me ponder. And to get back to run a shower all day. I see
The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Shana bufuo ya kini sutuo sedi obesuro na kume primpo dini tripo hi himo don't you see the otumano TV. We like Siamese twins, dangerously inseparable. Now calling Gary and beans deliciously palatable. My heavenly made bride. We roll like Bonnie and Clyde, yeah. Get so low, get so low. It's not you, get so low.
Southwest. When I'm number one, but get the trust and I'm in Bonsa. I mean, ya need the expansion in your market. Chassis, I'm in back it. Baby, maybe I need you without say. Rise, a very good morning and come on, Nimsi. So there's a message here says. Thanks for making our morning exciting and welcome back to radio. We miss your voice. Right, so my alpha, did you know no alpha bro? Right, should I be can kind of what I'm saying? Yeah, if we are Santwa and our friends of file and qua and a Ghana for one attempted Guinness World Record. So as I speak to you now, for the cooking marathon there, and I say cookathon there. Say yempo, filer, then we are singing now or no any other man. Why am I saying this? Because the current the Okuta record this is here, and I think she did 144 hours, right? 144 hours, and Fala has done about 180 something hours. And we are there, Gabo no wa. We are there, Gabo no wa. Say, Mamuya inspection, some deductions beneath the crowd. I don't think they can deduct about 40 hours. No. But the fan said they will deduct like maybe 20 hours. Crowd. Fila will still be the record holder. It's young for Fila the Antonche. But what I'm saying, you were Ghana for. Omukuta record way. Nia akoma ye ni aba ho ana akoma ma sesisi no. Agi dia mo bia hu so oh Ghana ni baby Ghana for ma bi Ghana for bi she no ye ne say. Filer na efu asantwa. Ghana for mo do mo tra Ghana ha What you say? Omo ye Ghana for mo tra Ghana ha ye Bako trankran ne de na bako so watermale ono so ne de but the tell say you were Ghana for a 4 Ghanaians ma try and also ma break recorder obi ntimi break your mo de you were Louis Appiaje Ghanaian ono so a set record way no record was age of 10 years Louis Appiaje already had his first Guinness World Record for the fastest lap driven on the Laguna Seca circuit and a virtual racing on Play Store. As a PlayStation 3, this record is still unbroken. So at the age of 10 years, at the time we play PlayStation, I boy you. I'm racing them in racing, there be. And Luis Appiaje ekuta Guinness World Record for the fastest lap driven. The fastest lap driven on the Laguna Saga circuit in the virtual racing on PlayStation 3. On the record, Obian Timin break here. Up to now, Obian Timin break here. So this record is still unbroken. While many boys his age were playing with toy cars, he raced to fame following the third. You see, sometimes I am a Akan say me wo misho no say ade bia bofra bia bia na wo fo jano no nye. Woni bia ade ni be pie. Na menim so be kra bu sa say enti say onya Guinness World Record na dien na wo de be sika kan ho na sika bia nkan ho. Guinness World Record sika bia nkan ho. But the theater said a big opportunities. A ma wo share ni petit through. And you say, I can't assume a sinekuta record for this thing the whole year. Just imagine people that will come to you for business and for on business, but a brand that would love to associate with you near there. So they are saying, Guinness World Record, the Sikabi, but the Ebama on chin, the Asika can't say chin, the common on the Bama. What they are saying now, if for Santua like this, even though she was relevant, she's a colleague, she's an industry player, all of that, Now, most of the people, as most of Ghanaians, you move the name what she does. What they say, you know, but if you are now, you will ube true, and a singer ton yo. What they say, aside and conform brains, international brands would want to associate themselves with her. The man of big opportunities, Sika Kasiebo fears as a eba. And they are by a piano pajama and maybe an overtin a certain record view there. And Luis appeared at the age of 10 years old and a certain record with Oyaganani. And you were Dixon Opong. So Dixon Opong, Oyaganania, and got forth from the Waterman also setting a Guinness World Record for the longest time to spray water. Or the so good no more. You so good no more. Oh, spray ho bibia interrupted. Now, Guinness World Record say, oh yeah, weigh in 32.65 seconds. 32.65 seconds. So he obtained it on the set of a CCTV Guinness World Record special in Beijing. It was 6 December 2012. 2012, yeah. Dixon Opong. Or the Insuo Gunanum. Sani Ayanka, Akolabia, Jankola Bonnie 7. Jada Chan and soon be Ubana for Penny. Dixon Opong, yeah, she a good Guinness World Record say, oh, at the air for one more Zemale. Within 32.65 seconds, and Dixon upon it's also a record will be until we break here. But why now Ghana had no Ghana in, but a Koyo Beijing, China, 6 December 2012. Now, on October 2021, last two, and that Facebook here, and that one do ye. So I won't say, but unfortunately, we only 54 years. We 11th October 2012 bicycle accidents. And Sebi didn't confuse him. After you Daniel Ashite Ama and Richard Mensah Ofori performed a new one setting the Guinness World Record in 2011 by scoring the fastest time to walk over 10 obstacles while carrying a person on their head. It's in conform anyway, so standing on one photo and conform anyway, so the almost this set on record in the almost the 9 back and on my father, as well as on my town password. And no Jenny Nabako so on Nampent, one moon in Nam Yoma, so and none in Nam Yoma. So says I didn't want to cry on Kajish. I want to cry, I say, we are a Danquan or call any man. She knew one man, a more almost so many that no, almost so many almost a Ghana for me, and Tibacco, Adrian Bakutizo. Or the name are considered the number of obstacles, so the Titi and your master Titi and your master. Now, according to official Guinness record, they set this record in a time of 21.83 seconds. They set their record on the site of Low Show. May show will be on with Italy, 2011, 27th of April, and almost set your record. And the last person on for the Ato Aduboy. Is it Adubi or Aduboy? Aduboy. Okay. For the Ato. As the theater is a young fan for you. Also setting a Guinness World Record way back in 1983. And also set this record. And also repeated the same record at 1991. Now the amount no Guinness World Record in Muni or through Mika or 100 meters or the nechi 100 meters. Nursing any grown to 100 meters. Wait or the nechi 100 meters. In 12.7 and 13.6 seconds in 1983 and 1991 respectively. And according to Guinness World Record, any power team in the Chia Comrica, I will be in Chan, will be to me set our record in B. A Ghanaian friend for the Ato. So these are 4 Ghanaians almost setting Guinness World Record in the past. Now, Oba Ghana and Swa, Mame Fire first and for the Pumna Yanko. The first and was the first Ghanaian to set and. Okay, so the first African to attempt Guinness World Record for the longest singing marathon. The whole Africa, Nepal were attempting the longest singing marathon. And if was Santwa, after was also the first female Ghanaian to perform continuously for 5 days. Obianye Bida, Ghana Chroma. Female individual as a female being one was performing and continuously for 5 days. And also the first Ghanaian and African female individual to sing and perform 120 songs. You see that the whole of Africa and Ghana. And also she's the first unprofessional musician to perform continuously for 5 days. And again, she's the first Ghanaian to perform strictly Ghanaian songs for 5 days. And the last, she's the first female or individual to perform for 5 days. So this is some little history about the Guinness World Record. And Ghana for one more asset to be. Now I'm attempt to be. Engineer Efua Asantua Eduonum and your jobless filer. Now me had more channel be winning the and now for you so your Louisa PJ Dixon upon Daniel Ashite Ama and a Richard Manson Fori and your 4D Ato. So so also need the here or the China